Hey everybody, today we are going to be turning these super cute mini Christmas tree ornaments into earrings. I got these ones from Hobby Lobby. This set was $6, this set was $8, but they were 70% off, so a super good deal. So we're gonna be using these, some ear wires, some larger jump rings, and some smaller jump rings. I don't know exactly what we're gonna need as far as these jump rings go, so I just got an assortment. And the big ones are 6mm. I'd like to use like my 8mm ones, but I don't know where those are. And then I just have some basic jewelry pliers. But let's start by getting our gnomes and mushrooms off of the little cardboard things. It looks like the gnomes, the little hangy thing, is just through them. It's not holding them together or anything. So we're just gonna cut these strings off. Or cut them and then pull them out. And then for the mushroom, I think it must be attached in there somehow. I hope that cutting it off, it doesn't ruin it. But like, I hope it's not holding it together. I hope it doesn't fall apart now. But we'll hope for the best. Take a jump ring. Got it open. And then we'll just kind of push it through his hat, if we can get it through there. Now we can close up that jump ring. Okay, so we got a loop on him. Do the other one now. He's got a loop now too. Now I'm gonna take a smaller jump ring and put it on our bigger jump ring and close that up. Do another jump ring. Put my ear wire on there. Okay, so we can do our second guy now. And there's our super cute little gnome earrings. Now let's try to do the mushrooms. Probably just gonna do the exact same thing as we did previously, honestly. So let's take jump ring, open it up, take one of the big ones, open it up, and gonna loop it up right on the top like that. Again, you want to get as much of that like woven loopage stuff in there as possible, just so that it's less likely to rip. And I think these ones are actually just foam on the inside, so it's a lot easier to grab that top bit of fabric. I'm gonna do our first little jump ring on there, and then our second, and then I'm gonna add my earring wire on there, my ear hook. I combined those in the incorrect way. Now let's do our second one. And now we have our little mushroom ones. So cute, so obsessed. These are gonna be perfect for Christmas. Perfect. They'd be super perfect for cheap, easy gifts. But make sure to like this video if you like these little earring guys. Subscribe to see more things like this, and tell me in the comments down below what mini Christmas tree ornaments you would turn into earrings. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.